Mabuhay ka Philippine beauty pageant fans all over the world and to the universe.
Kasi ganito ah.
Yung ano, ay,
May bayad na. Pwede kong
yan.พี่แซมเนี่ยไม่น่าเลยlet's go มาตัวดีก็ไต้หวัน
Tatanim. And then,
Very too well. Let's try international.
the one and only
Ano ang masasabi mo sa Miss Universe issue na ito? Mag-comment ka lang below at mag-subscribe ka na sa aking YouTube channel account for more pageant balita. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.